Now viewers, it's been an extremely important day for Maruti Suzuki India as Prime Minister Modi inaugurated a new assembly line for its first ever battery electric vehicle, the e-Vitara, and a new plant for manufacturing batteries for its vehicles. Mugdha Mishra, editor of NDTV Auto, was on ground and has filed this complete report.
Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated Maruti Suzuki's assembly line for their battery electric vehicle e-Vitara. You can see both left-hand drive and right-hand drive versions of this e-Vitara displayed here, and that's because e-Vitara is going to be made in India, made for the world. Maruti Suzuki tells us they are going to export it to over 100 countries. First country where the export starts is UK, subsequently Japan, and Europe will also join the list. But over 100 countries, there's another interesting aspect, and that's the strong hybrid that you see here. We all know this is Grand Vitara, but what is new here is the battery assembly. Now, the Grand Vitara, which is a strong hybrid, its battery is going to get assembled here in Gujarat. You can see the assembly parts here. This is the graphite NMC lithium. These are the anode separator, cathode and cathode separator, which gets made now here in Gujarat to this jelly roll, and this is the cell which becomes the part of this battery pack. Eventually, this is what goes in the strong hybrid Grand Vitara. This battery cell will also be a part of all the strong hybrids that are going to come from Maruti and Toyota stable as well. Now, I must also tell you that this battery manufacturing plant is a joint venture between Toshiba, Denso and Suzuki, with Suzuki holding 50% of the partnership. Now, what was interesting today was Prime Minister's speech, where he focused clearly on Atmanirbhar Bharat and urged states to compete for better ease of business, to compete amongst each other for better investments. He also emphasized on Swadeshi, insisting that Swadeshi does not mean that investment cannot come from abroad. Investments can come from all over the world, but the sweat, the blood of Indians should go into the manufacturing process, clearly focusing on improving India's manufacturing prowess. Mugdha Mishra with Azam Siddiqui.